Hello, welcome to another video. Our today's question is, given that f of x is equal to 2 power x minus 2 power minus x, what you are asked to find here is to find the inverse of this function. Here we proceed with the properties of the power. We know that a power minus n is equal to 1 over a power n. This is to say 2 power minus x will be 1 over 2 power x. This is what we are going to do here. Here our function will be 2 power x minus 1 over 2 power x. Okay. We know that a power m times a power n is equal to a power m plus n. This is what we all know. We want to put this on common denominator. This is to say our fx will be, our common denominator is 2 power x. Here we have 2 power x times 2 power x minus 1. Fx here is equal to 2 power 2x minus 1 over 2 power, here is 2 power x. What you have to do is to find x subject of y. We need to find x in terms of y. By here, let y be fx. This means y is equal to 2 power x, 2x minus 1 over 2 power x. We want to cross multiplication here so that y will be multiplying with 2 power x. Is to say y times 2 power x is equal to 2 power 2x minus 1. We need to form a quadratic equation of 2 power x. Here y times 2 power x is equal to 2 power x for 2 minus 1 by the property that a power n, m times n is equal to a power m altogether power n, or a power n altogether power m. Here is a property. We want to take this here. Taking this here, we have 2 power x power 2 minus y times 2 power x minus 1, which is 0. We need to complete the squares. Here, remember, when completing the square, while this has a coefficient of 1, we divide this coefficient of 2 power x by 2 and then power 8. We have, what do we have here? We have 2 power x power 2 minus y times 2 power x minus plus y squared over 4 minus y squared over 4 minus 1, and this is 0. What do we have here? We have 2 power x power 2 minus y times 2 power x plus y squared over 4, and this will be taking this y squared here, y squared over 4 here, and 1 minus 1 here. This will be changed into positive. Here is y power 2 over 4 plus 1. Okay, this will become 2 power x minus y over 2 power 2. Putting this on common denominator, we'll be having y squared plus 4 over 4. Let's take square root everywhere. Take square root both sides. We have 2 power x minus y over 2, which is equal to square root of y squared plus 4 over 4. Here, 2 power x will be equal to y over 2, taking this here, plus the square root of y squared plus 4 over 2, because root 4 is 2. What we want to do is to find the value of x in terms of y. Means, let's apply ln on both sides. On both sides, we have ln 2 power x, which is equal to ln of all of this stuff, y plus the square root of y squared plus 4. Here is square over 2. Okay, this will come to, let's follow this property. When having ln a power n, this is n ln a. That's why here x ln 2 is equal to ln y plus the square root of y squared plus 4 over 2. We will divide everywhere by ln x to find x. X here is equal to ln y plus the square root of y squared plus 4 over 2 over ln 2. Here is only x. What you want is to find f of x. Okay, we know that log a in base b can be written as ln a over ln b, and in our case we have x, which is ln y plus the square root of y squared plus 4 over 2 over ln 2. This x can be written as a logarithm of y plus the square root of y squared plus 4 over 2 in base 2. This means our inverse function f inverse of x will be log, we will swap y and x. This is to say y will be replaced by x. Here will be x plus the square root of x squared plus 4 over 2 in base 2. Thank you for watching. Don't hesitate to subscribe, because your subscription is